Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix HostGator login issues, account access problems step by step clearly. Open a trusted browser and make sure you are connected to a stable internet network. Go to the official HostGator site and click the customer portal login page, not a third-party link. Type your email address carefully and check for typos, extra spaces, or the wrong domain. Enter your password slowly and confirm caps lock is off and your keyboard language is correct. If you use a password manager, copy and paste the password and then try typing it manually once. Click Forgot Password and request a reset link to the same email used for your HostGator account. Open your email inbox and also check spam, junk, promotions, and any security quarantine folders. If the reset email does not arrive, wait a few minutes and then request the link one more time. Create a strong new password that you have not used before and save it in a secure place. Try logging in again from the customer portal using the new password. If you are redirected in a loop, clear your browser cache and cookies for HostGator-related pages. Restart the browser completely and open the login page in a fresh new tab. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers and try the login again. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily because it can trigger security blocks. Try an incognito or private window to rule out stored sessions and conflicting cookies. If login still fails, switch to another browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. If you see a too many attempts message, stop trying for 15 to 30 minutes to let the lock expire. Confirm you are using the correct login area, because cPanel/WHM and the customer portal use different credentials. If you need cPanel access, use your cPanel URL and the cPanel username provided in your welcome email. If you do not know your cPanel username, check HostGator emails or the customer portal hosting details. Verify your account status by checking any billing emails that mention overdue invoices or suspension. If there is a payment issue, log into the billing section if possible and update your payment method. Check your email account security settings to ensure HostGator emails are not being blocked or filtered. If you enabled two-factor authentication, make sure your Authenticator app time is synced and codes are current. If you changed your phone recently, use HostGator's recovery options to regain 2FA access. Gather your account details like registered email, domain name, and the last 4 digits of your payment method for verification. Contact HostGator support via live chat or ticket from the official site and describe the exact error message you see. Follow the support agent's instructions and confirm access by logging in again once they reset or verify the account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.